Welcome to the wonderful world of vegetarianism. You're taking a fantastic step towards a healthier and more compassionate lifestyle. Whether you're motivated by animal welfare, environmental concerns, or simply want to explore new and delicious foods, you've come to the right place. This journey is about nourishing your body with delicious plant-based foods. It's about understanding the fuel that makes you thrive. And guess what? It's easier than you might think. We'll guide you through the basics of vegetarian nutrition. We'll explore the essential nutrients your body needs and show you how to get them from plant-based sources. Get ready to discover a world of flavor, vitality, and culinary adventure. Let's get started. Nutrition is simply the science of food and how it affects your body. It's about understanding the nutrients in your food and how they impact your health, energy, and well-being. Think of it as the instruction manual for your body. Just like a car needs fuel, your body needs nutrients to function properly. These nutrients are the building blocks for growth, repair, and energy. They support your metabolism, boost your immune system, and keep your body running smoothly. Without proper nutrition, your body is like a car running on fumes. You might feel sluggish, get sick more often, and struggle to maintain a healthy weight. Macronutrients are the heavy lifters of the nutrient world. They provide your body with energy and are needed in larger amounts. The three main macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. Think of them as the fuel that keeps you going. You can find them in abundance in plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. They're essential for building and repairing tissues, and they also play a role in hormone production and immune function. Excellent vegetarian sources of protein include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. Fats often get a bad rap, but they're essential for a healthy body. They help your body absorb vitamins, insulate your organs, and protect your cells. Healthy fats can be found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Micronutrients are like the vitamins and minerals in your diet. They're needed in smaller amounts than macronutrients, but they're just as important for your health. They play a vital role in countless bodily functions, from boosting your immune system to keeping your bones strong. Vitamins are organic compounds that your body needs to function correctly. They help your body use energy, fight off infections, and repair damage. Minerals are inorganic substances that are essential for various bodily functions. They help build strong bones, regulate your heartbeat, and transport oxygen throughout your body. A well-planned vegetarian diet can easily provide all the micronutrients you need. Leafy green vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals, while fruits are bursting with antioxidants. Section 5. Planning your vegetarian plate. A delicious adventure. Meal planning as a vegetarian is about creating delicious and satisfying meals that provide all the nutrients your body needs. It's about embracing a variety of foods and flavors to keep your taste buds happy and your body healthy. Think of your plate as a rainbow of colors. Aim to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, and protein sources in each meal. This not only ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients, but also keeps your meals interesting and flavorful. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast like oatmeal with berries and nuts, or whole wheat toast with avocado and a plant-based protein source like tofu scramble. For lunch and dinner, create balanced meals with a good source of protein, plenty of vegetables, and a serving of whole grains. Think lentil soup with whole grain bread, a chickpea salad sandwich, or a tofu stir-fry with brown rice. Snacks are a great way to keep your energy levels up between meals. Opt for healthy options like fruits, vegetables with hummus, a handful of nuts, or a small bowl of yogurt. Section 6. Vegetarianism 101. Avoiding common pitfalls. Transitioning to a vegetarian diet is an exciting journey, but it's not without its potential pitfalls. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Don't rely on processed vegetarian foods. Just because something is labeled vegetarian doesn't automatically make it healthy. Many processed vegetarian foods are high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. Don't forget about iron. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body, and it can be trickier to get enough iron on a vegetarian diet. Include plenty of iron-rich foods like lentils, spinach, tofu, and fortified cereals in your diet. Don't skimp on vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, so it's essential for vegetarians to supplement or consume fortified foods to meet their needs. And don't be afraid to experiment. One of the best things about vegetarianism is the vast array of delicious foods to explore. Don't be afraid to try new recipes, experiment with different cuisines, and find what you enjoy most. Section 7. Your vegetarian journey. Embrace the deliciousness. Congratulations on embarking on your vegetarian journey. It's a decision you can feel good about for your health, the planet, and the animals. Remember that this is a journey, not a race. It's about making gradual changes to your diet and finding what works best for you. Don't be afraid to ask for help or support along the way. There are countless resources available, from cookbooks to online communities, to guide you on your path. Most importantly, enjoy the deliciousness that a vegetarian diet has to offer. Embrace the abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables, the heartiness of legumes, and the versatility of tofu and tempeh. Section 8. The vegetarian protein myth, busted. One of the most common misconceptions about vegetarianism is that it's difficult to get enough protein. This simply isn't true. There are plenty of plant-based foods that are packed with protein, and you don't need to eat massive amounts of tofu to meet your daily needs. Beans and lentils are protein powerhouses, providing around 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. Tofu and tempeh, made from soybeans, are also excellent sources, offering around 20 grams of protein per serving. Nuts and seeds are another great way to boost your protein intake. A quarter cup of almonds provides around 8 grams of protein, while a tablespoon of chia seeds packs in around 2 grams. The key is to include a variety of protein sources throughout your day. This ensures you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair tissues. Section 9. Essential vegetarian pantry staples. Building a well-stocked pantry is key to effortless vegetarian cooking. Having a variety of staples on hand makes it easy to whip up delicious and nutritious meals in a pinch. Here are a few must-haves for your vegetarian pantry. Dried beans and lentils. These are affordable, versatile, and packed with protein and fiber. Keep a variety on hand, such as black beans, chickpeas, lentils, and kidney beans. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat pasta for added fiber and nutrients. Nuts and seeds. These are great for snacking, adding to trail mixes, or sprinkling on salads. Choose unsalted varieties for a healthier option. Canned tomatoes. Canned tomatoes are a lifesaver for quick sauces, soups, and stews. Vegetable broth. Vegetable broth is a flavorful base for soups, risottos, and sauces. Spices. Spices are a great way to add flavor to your dishes without adding salt or fat. Keep a variety on hand, such as cumin, turmeric, chili powder, and garlic powder. Section 10. Vegetarianism and social situations. Tips for navigating gatherings. Social gatherings can sometimes feel like a minefield for vegetarians. But don't worry, with a little planning and communication, you can enjoy these occasions without feeling like a burden or missing out on delicious food. Communicate your dietary needs in advance. If you're attending a potluck or dinner party, let the host know about your dietary restrictions in advance. This gives them time to plan accordingly and ensures you'll have something to eat. Offer to bring a dish. Bringing a vegetarian dish to share is a great way to ensure there's something you can eat and to introduce your friends and family to new flavors. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about ingredients or preparation methods, don't hesitate to ask the host or server. Be prepared with snacks. If you're concerned about there not being enough vegetarian options, pack a few snacks to tide you over. Section 11. Conclusion. You've got this. Embracing a vegetarian lifestyle is a rewarding journey that comes with a plethora of health benefits and culinary adventures. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, explore new ingredients, and find what works best for you. As you become more familiar with vegetarian nutrition, you'll naturally gravitate towards a balanced and fulfilling diet. Listen to your body, savor the flavors, and enjoy the journey.
Before we wrap up, I want to share something that can really enhance your online experience, especially if you're diving into the world of nutrition and healthy living. Have you heard about Gologin? Gologin is the best browser for multi-accounting. Gologin is a fantastic tool that allows you to manage multiple online identities securely. Whether you're researching vegetarian recipes, exploring nutrition blogs, or joining health-related communities, Gologin keeps your online activity private and organized. With Gologin, you can create different profiles for your various interests, like one for healthy eating, another for fitness, and even one for your personal life, all while keeping your information safe and secure. Plus, it's super user-friendly. Just download the app, set up your profiles, and you're ready to go. This way, you can explore the world of nutrition without any worries about your online privacy. So if you want to take control of your online experience, check out Gologin through the link in the description below. Trust me, you'll love how easy it makes managing your online presence. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and recipes. And don't forget to check out Gologin. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.